We had a great time around the Ronda, but it's time to go on. On our way to Granada, we already can see the snowy mountains of the Sierra Nevada. After Ronda, we went this road to Granada. And Granada, it's the first time we stay on the campground. Of course, we also visited the city here. In the afternoon we arrived on the campground. Yeah, it's the first time we can stay on the campground, finally. Necessary to do our laundry. We finally can cook on the stove again, and we're lucky to sit in the front of our tent. There's a bus stop in front of the camping place, so next day we go to visit Granada by local bus. First we have to walk through the modern city, and finally we get in the old town. On the hill we saw Alhambra on the other side of the river Darro. We choose not to visit Alhambra because you have to order your tickets in advance, and when you visit the Alhambra with a guide it's very expensive. Do you know this neighborhood, Sacromonte? Maybe those who read Moon from the Seven Sisters of Lucinda Riley. This is where a great part of that story takes place. The ancestors of Moon lived here. They were Egyptians and they danced the flamenco, and that's where this neighborhood is famous of. It's also famous because of the houses built in the rocks. When we go back to the center of the city, we pass the Arabian neighborhood, Albaicín. By stairs and small roads, we arrive in the center of Albaicín. It's a real Arabic neighborhood. In this neighborhood you can see typical Arabic architecture in the buildings. We had a very nice meal in a very special place. Sacromonte and Albaicín are very lovely to walk around for hours and hours. After a while we decided to go back to the campground. The other day we did a very nice motorbike tour to Treveles in the Sierra Nevada. Just sit down and relax and be inspired for your next motorbike journey. And yes, also for René there has to be a first time for a motorbike drop. Legs are not too short, but the ground is too
deep.
We hope you enjoyed this video. Please give us a big thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss any next video. And next time we'll show you a very crazy park Espuña and the old city of Xàtiva.